Okay,
I'm cheating here, filming these Ospreys.
She's not full.
These are live from the DYFI Osprey Project.
She came back as a 3-year-old last year.
As yet, I haven't got to the place where you can go and observe these, but I think they're a good way away from me. Look at that beauty.
Last thing in 2004, they had two.
What a fine bird is that.
Killed. Then 2005, which is when I started volunteering there.
Got 4 cameras here, well 5. Out there, I've got a little squirrel.
They had three eggs, but only 2 chicks hatched.
Yeah, but a beauty.
Oh, they're huge birds, and to watch them fly. And of course, the females are more impressive than the males because they're so much more big. You know, they're bulkier.
No, I thought they was a male was like.
Not in birds of prey. In birds of prey, generally a female. Not most birds of prey. The female is bigger and chunkier because they're the ones who sit on the nest. The males are the ones who do the providing.
He's got really orange eyes, hasn't
He has. This is the male. The male here has. This is the female.
They tell me that
That's the female.
that I fight into the water.
About a metre. 5 foot. I mean, they can, but they're risky.
I wouldn't want to risk it. I wouldn't want to risk under 5 feet.
Generally speaking, they can only take fish to within the water.
Wonderful. Got some different shots on camera here.
Which is why they have to.
So the male's off fishing.
So Adrian, it's the female is sleeping more.
Is there more?
Oh no, not necessarily not attractive. She's a very attractive.
Yeah, but all they try
The male
to
is the most beautiful.
do. They do have you can slightly tell these Ospreys apart. I've started to notice by they have got little distinct
Oh yes,
mannerisms and stuff, haven't they?
The male here has got very orange eyes. When they're chicks, they have orange eyes.
But which
He's the one noted for his orange eyes and not the female so much then.
Yeah. Well, no. But usually all adults have got yellow eyes.
So this bird is standing out
His
because
has just stayed orange. There was
Right,
one of
that's
the
awesome.
garden males.
This is the female, by the way.
I mean,
Thank you.
that's the normal colour. But if he comes back, but we think he may have gone fishing, so he may not come back for a while.
Yeah, when was he last on the nest?
Only about 10 minutes walking around.
Oh, is
This is
he?
the female, yeah.
She's beautiful.
She actually.
Oh, she's ringed. She's actually ringed.
Yeah, she is. She's got 03 on
Where
the Derby ring.
Ah, yeah.
That's a BTO ring you can see there.
Zoom in on.
it's nice when you can get them ringed.
Yeah, well, all the chicks.
One of them.
These are live pictures, but they're coming from
Yes.
inside the camera.
He's still got his BTO ring.
House
Yes,
and height.
but he lost his Derby ring.
And there's all the cameras on the nest there, which is keeping a good eye on everything around the place, making sure nobody can steal the eggs that are going to come into that nest there.
It's a typical area, isn't it? You know,
God forgive anybody who does forgive.
Yes, so I mean, generally
stuff.
speaking, they're by next week. But they're not fussy about what type of fish they eat. They'll be freshwater or seawater.
I saw one of you on is it your website for this, and I saw a few of them on there. Yesterday, didn't
Well,
I?
most of the big projects now have got their own website. In fact, most of them have got Facebook groups as well. This one's got its own Osprey.
What did you say? Facebook?
What time? It's open 10 till 6 every day. Till the end of August.
I can just get that little squirrel over there. Oops. There he is, look on there.
Oh, you've got the little birds.
Yeah, he's just sitting there on top of there. Got right on him, right on his head.
Aren't they so ready and learned?
There's a little squirrel there.
This was interesting last week.
Little grey squirrel having a munch.
Before the male came back, the reds
And he's live outside.
sat with the female.
And here he is,
Yeah.
live inside.
And they didn't bother each other at all.
Adrian, a red kite joined.
Yeah, there's a lot of there's more red kites about now, thank goodness me.
Yeah, there is. Oh, he's come back.
Oh, he's back, is he? Oh, Mr. Male just getting back on
He
this.
obviously hasn't been for a fish because he's
Brilliant.
not been quick enough.
Got a fish?
No.
plumage in birds.
Now if you look at his eye, you can see how much darker it is than her
Incredible,
eye.
isn't it? You look at the clarity of it.
Yeah, I'll have to have a look at that eye.
Hers is bright yellow.
Yeah, Mama, don't worry, you'll see it on YouTube.
And something's bothering them again, hey? Whether it's the
Was a heron before?
Was there?
Yeah, I know.
Wow, he has got an orange eye, hasn't he?
He has very...
Whoa!
Well, that's how chicks have their eye. But when they return from Africa, usually they faded back. But his never did.
He's a beauty,
One of
isn't he?
the lock garden birds was the same. Henry, he never...
And what are these two birds' names?
Nora and Monty.
Nora and Monty. Hello, Nora and Monty. Thank you very much for that. Awesome, that's brilliant. So I'm really encouraged to see these birds on 2 estuaries.
It'll come round in a loop.
Good one.
I think the first film is birdies.
There's a little squirrel out there.
Well, that's the small birds on the feeders.
On the feeders outside, cheeky little monkey, look at him. Oh, there's a little red face too. What a darling.
See, unusually,
Mum, see the squirrel on the camera now.
the male has a much paler chest than the female. If you look at
See him?
his chest, it's quite dark.
See him out there?
I think it's darker than hers.
See him?
No, I'm afraid.
He's on. You see him on the table? I'll try and explain to you. Let me just set up this tripod here, video this one. Easy it is, Mum. See him?
They've been lazy curious since the wedding, and she started...
Mum's lost her central vision, so thank God for these cameras.
The nest, to form a nest.
He's just out there, Mama. You'll be able to see him later.
Now she's gone off again.
Up in Property.
Probably, she'll probably come back with a twin.
This lady's painting a really good picture of it.
Build and build and build a nest.
Of an osprey there, look at that.
We just had this conversation about left-handed people.
That's lovely, that is lovely. That's a really nice picture.
The chicks.
When he my son was about...
So this is the one that they actually, this is the they would leave.
Same time, end of August, beginning of September. They used to do... Last year, the this was on the BBC paid for 2. Episode slept on Screen Watch. They paid for 2%. You know, the track.
Well, I was hoping to come today, make a bit of money so I could buy a new pair of jeans, but I'm going to have to carry on with the old pair of jeans.
Oh,
Since then, the
See,
female...
was it artists starved to death in years gone by?
they always have done, haven't they?
Her transitions since now, either she...
Anyone who's done the right things in life for start.
Yeah, yeah, you're right there.
So what much
You know?
There's Prince there.
Transitions now.
Certainly a love of nature is not encouraged by most of them. Glad it is by some people who appreciate life. And I would stand and go, I'll just be with it. It's the way to be, you know? I was doing to endless, I was like doing slits as a child. And painting them. Today I lost my fingers.
So you're right-handed, are you?
Predominantly right handed.
You haven't sort of retrained yourself to...
No. I
It's half.
yeah, it's just a difficult.
Sorry,
It is after
No, right, buddy, don't worry.
was that? I think I got in your way there.
Don't worry, it's not a problem. Just move around any way you want. I'll move it back actually.
If you go on Facebook and join the group, it doesn't
I'm just, I'm cheating, I am right now.
if you type that into your search engine, it'll bring it up. And the website,
Fantastic.
is Ems's himself. Although you'll get plenty. But he updates that.
Check it out. Whoa. Yeah, look at that. Look at him spreading his wings there.
Oh no, they were, as long as the wings on his
Fantastic, isn't
store, there's some reason.
he? Okay.
The lake
That was last April the 1st. That
Was it?
everybody thought it.
might be some reason for that.
Oh, not that bit. No. That's when he came back on last Monday.
And it was about the same because the Glassling one was. We went to Glassling.
Last thing they was 2 days after we went.
And then
first,
the-
was it the third, the fourth?
There was no egg then, and then something went wrong with the camera, didn't it?
Oh, I don't know. I know they've had an egg, haven't they?
Donald
Yeah,
Jones,
probably got 3 by now.
the
Donald Jones
camera where
said
they.
something on the RSPV site the other day that an egg had come there
Right.
2 days ago. He
Yeah.
spotted out. He was in school with me. He's in school with me.
Right. Oh, they're both back now.
Does he ever come down and sing?
Yolo.
Mating on there now.
West, south, west. So whether it's just
Who, Yolo?
Yeah.
Yeah,
He's a school and so.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, he used to make the most amazing snowballs. God help you, like I
He's a
said,
lovely
you got
boy.
one a snowball in the head off and you'd know about it.
why these, I mean, they
Lovely fella, yeah.
her Derby.
He was in the same, a year above me in school. He was.
Two young boys himself. No?
Yeah.
He
He
got
comes
that.
quite often.
Young lad.
When's the last time I saw him? January, I think. Doing a film shoot right next to where I
Done
was.
some good stuff, and he's written a book now, hasn't he, as well?
Most
I think.
He's written a few books.
Has he written a few? Has he? Yeah, I didn't know that. Like,
But there have been a few. Henry Garden is one of the most famous ones.
Orange eye.
That's the male on the right and the female on the left.
he's got that orange eye, hasn't he?
He has, yeah. That's right. That's the best way of telling them apart.
Okay.
As you can see there, they're disparaging the size. You can see she's chunkier.
One heck of a bird.
They're heavy.
Right, I shall take a... Catch you in the wheelchair now, I'll take you for a little walk.
She's chunky, the female lady.
Huh?
She's chunky
Yeah.
in the male.
That's it. That's as fast as, that's as good as it gets with Ospreys, I'm afraid.
They're not at it again.
Huh?
It is, yeah.
Thank you, love, for that.
Thank
That's
you.
what it tells you, I think. That's all I've got on my persons at the moment.
It's a real case of one bad thing, you know. I'm going to go and take the dog to walk. Are you going to eat?
Are you coming for a... Skip your chair then?
Yes, I am.
Thanks very much, see you soon. Be back in a minute.
Thank you very much.
Back in a bit. The Osprey. We'll get you in your chair then, we'll get back down there. Hang on man, that's the Osprey hide there. I think. Yeah, that is it. You don't need a wheelchair, come on.
Okay.
No. You don't need one. Oh, did you go around there to get to it? Yeah.
Let's go and get in.
Just round here, it appears. If we can't get any further, I'll come back to the car and get your chair, okay? Well, how do you get round there? Oh, I don't know. How do you get to the way they are? Oh, it's a chair job, isn't it? It's a chair. Yeah, I'll just wait there. Just wait with that. Someone drive past here. Make someone drive past there. Park your mum in there. Oh Christ. Just put your hand over there. Can you hold that?
Yes, of course.
Alright.
You put my feet down for me if you want. They're a nice little.
Look at that, look what it landed. In here, screen down. And the last thing you want is stony carpet. Alright. Is that balancing on that problem? Is that any problem for you? Wait. It's good, isn't it?
The lady said it was too far to go.
Well, there's a height there, look. So how they, that's the Osprey. Height there up on the right, look. See it? That one, that's where we need to be. Where's the Ospreys? Oh, they've got massive double binoculars there. In the window.
There's a nice little lot in the other place than they are here.
Yeah.
Don't seem so dedicated.
Well, they are, but
Yeah, not as nice as the other place.
I told them about they have dummy nests in the other places, you know, not in, you know, I
Oh,
thought,
very off, very
thought
off.
you would have said that's a good idea, you know, get more birds over here.
I thought they were very off and really.
You just carry on directly. I don't know what's all the way pretty soon. We're going to have trouble with this. We're going to have trouble with the camera, are we? These little ponds around the place. Put up here specifically. Yeah, let's have that. Yeah, Steve, don't need to. I need that on here really.
That's
The rest of the weight of it.
So that's right. Grand. Really cold today as well.
How's that? Can you keep your hand on that?
I can. Just as you've got.
There's a,
There's a little bull there, you see, as well.
oh, there's the Osprey tower down there.
Oh!
I can see it from here. I can see it from here. I think I get nearer to them from here. See it down there, Mum?
No.
See that little thing sticking up down there? Yes, you can. Sticking up there. Yeah. How far we can safely get to it though. It's down there anyway. You can see the nest from here. And how close we can get to it. You alright?
Yes.
Boggy all this, you know. Only when they get the Land Cruiser in here, you just lose it. And you'd lose your mum. Well, look at this place.
Oh, I think, yeah, but they were very off hand.
You got it?
It's easy to talk to at all.
No, they don't really. But you just, do you know what you do, Mum?
Just take it from the
Go on your own. Always unique better. There's one down here coming. Hello. Is this the best way to see the Osprey nest? Is it? Oh good, yeah we got that. Okay, cheers. Okay.
What's she saying?
She's just done in, you can see it if you've got binoculars. Got the zoom lens camera here, we'll get it. We're much nearer to it here, aren't we? Up this end of the world. Oh my god. Oh, here it is. Why am I kind of away? It's right there. Oh, stand up and so you can see. Right ahead of you can see two towers.
Yeah.
I can see the birds on the nest from here.
Can you?
Fantastic. Just put the brakes on. Right, yeah. I'll set this up. It's times like this You're glad you got a big tripod. Because this is the time you want it. Because of the reeds, look. See the reeds? Well, I think I'll get better pictures today of the actual birds.
Got one chick, haven't they?
Have they? I don't think so,
chick,
no.
One egg.
No, I don't know. Possibly, yeah.
How long do they take to take the hatch?
I don't know. Don't ask me embarrassing questions because they won't know.
I thought it was
Mum, I don't know.
only a short time, but it isn't.
She said if you've got a zoom lens and telescope, you can see them from here. Well, we've got a massive. Let's see what we can pick up. Right, that's perfect, that is. Where are we again, Mum? DYFI Osprey Project. Near